In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the best drawing tablets to buy this year. And, as usual, in the description below, we have the links to all the drawing tablets mentioned in this video. If you think we missed out any item on our list, please let us know in the comment below. Be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Simbans PicassoTab. The Simbans PicassoTab is admittedly a standalone tablet, but the reason this unit, to us, stands as a drawing-specific tablet is because that's the thing it does the best. If you want an Android tablet for media consumption and web browsing, this will do fine. But you can get just as good an experience on the cheaper Amazon Fire tablets. What this tablet does better is drawing, and that's for two reasons. First, it comes with an active stylus right out of the box, allowing for solid palm rejection. And second, because it comes with Autodesk Sketchbook and ArtFlow pre-installed, two excellent beginner sketch apps for Android. As far as tablet specs go, these are pretty run-of-the-mill. There's a 1.3 GHz quad-core mobile processor, a 10.1-inch IPS display that sports a resolution of 1280 by 800, and even a 2-megapixel front-facing camera and a 5-megapixel rear-facing camera. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even a microSD card slot are here. You also have the capability of using a micro HDMI port to connect this tablet to an external computer. And it's that latter point that makes this really friendly for budding artists. They can start with the onboard Sketch app basics, but then graduate to real Adobe apps and use an external monitor, using this tablet as a peripheral. It's a good balance of both worlds, and it goes for right around $200. Number 4. Huion KAMVAS Pro 16. KAMVAS Pro 16 is a pen display that is distinguished by a top-grade stylish design, and it is a perfect digital drawing tablet. Its pressure sensitivity is on point. The tablet produces the lines exactly as you have drawn them. With its 15.6 inches, the tablet is referred to as a middle-sized one. The sizes typically vary from 12 to 22 inches. The screen of this Huion drawing tablet features a matte textured surface that is pleasant to draw on. It means that this model can be used as a tablet for photo editing. Thanks to the 1920 by 1080 screen resolution, the users will see bright and clear pictures, which is expected of qualitative displays. No matter which viewing angle you pick, from negative 89 degrees to positive 89 degrees, you will be satisfied with a constant quality of gorgeous visual effects across the 178-degree wide viewing range in this device. The pictures preserve their natural-looking hues as well. Since the tablet is rather compact, thickness of 11.5 millimeters, and doesn't weigh a lot, approximately 1.35 kilograms, it appears elegant and can be carried around without any difficulties. The design is entirely black and simplistic. Even though the screen comes with a matte effect, the slim rim surrounding the screen is glossy and adds dynamics to the tablet's design. Number 3. Gaomon PD1560. The Gaomon PD1560 is a surprising offering from a little-known overseas brand. In fact, thanks to a big, bright 15.6-inch display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, you might even think this gives the Wacom Cintiq a run for its money. Truth be told, on features alone, it does rival the Wacom options. But because it doesn't feature a touch wheel or flashy multi-touch options, we think it's a more suitable rival for our top pick from XP Pen. Because of the 72% color gamut accuracy and the 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity from the active pen, it really does have many of the features of the Artist 12. What makes it different is that it offers 10 assignable function keys, which is more than the Artist 12. However, you'll have to pay $299 for this device, making it nearly $100 more expensive. The brightness of the IPS display and the extra function keys might be enough for you to spend that higher price tag, but the awkwardly wide form factor make it a device that will really take up a lot of space on your desk. There's no denying, though, that this is a great peripheral with wireless, battery-houred operation and truly impressive pen specs. Number 2. Wacom Mobile Studio Pro. In case you are willing to invest much money in a drawing tablet, Mobile Studio Pro is one of the models to consider. In fact, it is a full-featured Windows computer due to solid-state drive storage capacities and a variety of Intel Core processors. For a pleasant drawing process, the tablet uses a Wacom technology standard for its pen display product line. In addition, it is possible to connect the model to a high-power Mac or PC with the optional Wacom Link. A 16-inch mobile studio is present as well. The device weighs quite a lot, which is justified by the fact that it isn't a regular iPad Pro or Surface tablet. Mobile Studio Pro enables users to perform creativity-related tasks at an advanced level, so it is supposed to be reliable and durable. While the tablet is located on the desk, extra weight is an absolute advantage, isn't it? Other prominent features of this Wacom drawing tablet are the screen and pen interface. Pro Pen 2 is admired for pixel-level pointing precision, 60 degrees of tilt, and 8,192 levels of sensitivity. Don't think that all seems redundant. It is necessary for improving the drawing process. The screen is another feature that's worth mentioning. The 4K display reproduces colors precisely. It is located closer to the etched glass screen and makes the overall use of the tablet more enjoyable. Number 1. X Pen Artist 12. Traditionally, a drawing tablet was basically a giant trackpad with a stylus and pressure sensitivity. Nowadays, the options that contain an actual display are truly impressive, and the X Pen Artist 12 for right around $200 offers a nice cross-section of a lot of features available. First, the touchscreen display, a 1920 by 1080 HD IPS display, isn't the highest resolution, but with 72% NTSC color gamut accuracy, its focus is on reproducing your work with as much precision as possible. What's great about having an 11.6-inch display inside your drawing tablet is that you don't need to look at your other screen while drawing on a separate surface. You're drawing on the surface where your lines and colors are appearing. This makes it feel like you're really creating art in the real world. When you're creating that art on the Artist 12, the passive hexagonal pen that feels really pencil-like will allow for 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity so that you can really get the hand sketch feel in your work. It can actually be a good thing that the pen is passive because it would otherwise be just another thing you have to charge. In addition, the Artist 12 gives you a full high-touch bar that you can program to fulfill certain commands on your computer. X Pen recommends mapping it to the zoom in, zoom out feature, and you can harness 6 different assignable shortcut keys. This makes it less of a drawing-only tablet and more of a full-featured control surface for your design programs. The device is compatible with Windows 7, 8, or 10 in 32 or 64-bit, and Mac OS X as old as version 10.8. A bonus option, the Wacom Intuos Pro. Wacom has been near the top of the drawing tablet game for some time, and their Intuos Pro is arguably the flagship line of drawing peripherals. This version, what Wacom calls the medium size, is sort of the Goldilocks of the lineup, giving you an 8.7-inch by 5.8-inch active surface area, but occupying only a footprint of 13.2 inches by 8.5 inches. This means it won't be quite as cumbersome at your desk setup, but will still offer a lot of real estate for work. Some other impressive features are the 8 dedicated function buttons you can assign to programs on the fly, the assignable touch wheel for navigating programs more fully, and even the hand recognition switch that allows a tablet to respond to gestures much like the trackpad would. Of course, it's Wacom's Pro Pen 2 that brings with it the most notoriety. This active pen provides a whopping 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for excellent sketching precision. Wacom has also baked in a latency time that is 4 times faster than the first-gen Pro Pen and has even included tilt support for sketching more natural, fading lines. It also includes Bluetooth in addition to the wired connectivity. The whole package works with the latest operating systems and most modern design software, and though it isn't the most affordable tablet out there, at under $400 at the time of this writing, it's a pretty reasonable price for a creative professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.